Baraduta.
Hmm? You can tell history means how you came to know about his this back problem and all.
Before 1 year, he has some problem in his chest, and I take him to polyclinic here in my country in Sultanate of Oman, and after make to him X-ray, and after that we doctor he he saw some problem in his back in Spain court, and I take him to the police hospital and talk police hospital cooperation with Santici hospital here, and talk with some doctors, and I think Cotton, Dr. Cotton, he came to Oman and see X-ray and MRI X-ray, and he knows this his problem. I think he make operation in same problem before, and I told me we can make operation for Abdulaziz, and give me 100% to succeed.
Okay. Has he operated well?
Now it's okay. We are happy about this operation. I think it's successfully.
Okay. He's not having any pain.
No,
Right.
no pain without pain, and he can walking himself without any support. But after operation, through 3 months, wear this belt.
Then after 3 months you have to come back to Pune
Necessary?
again
No,
for follow.
no. If it has any pain in future, just talk with doctors, and the doctors here time to time visit to Oman,
Okay.
and I can bring to him to show him.
But previously he was suffering with that pain. Now he is not having that pain right now.
No, now without pain.
Right?
And before without pain, but he's working not straight, and in, in more time, more problem, more
While walking.
his pain. No, no, more. I don't know what to call it. More problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Now he is not having that problem.
No, now it's straight.
It's straight
And
now.
remove one
Inch.
no, one cord.
Okay. Okay.
Remove one and fix it number 10 to 12 with the screw.
Okay.
Now the screw 4 screw in his back.
Okay. Now he is absolutely fine.
And maybe the doctors told me maybe 15% when he reach 14 or 15 years, maybe make another
Sorry.
operation. Maybe.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
But now it's okay.
Now it's fine.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.